Hello, my name is Shay Childs. I'm here to tell you about a new function within your Canon 5D Mark II. It's called the Creative Auto menu, and it allows the advanced basic camera user to go in and use some of the functions within your camera without having to have a lot of detailed knowledge on your relationships between f-stops, depth of field, and stuff like that. It allows you just to go in and make some choices in a quick way. It has its own menu. I'm going to show you how to get to it. First, you would just, on the mode dial, you switch it to CA for Creative Auto. And then if it doesn't pop up automatically, which it should, you can hit the shutter button and the menu will pop up. So here we have the pop-up menu. I'm going to show you how to go and manipulate within that menu. First, you're going to use your multi-directional button at the top here. You just push it in to select the menu. That allows you to move about within this menu, which you will use with that same button. You can go up and down here. Okay, so as you can see as I'm scrolling up and down, let's go into the camera now. Once you get to a setting that you would like to work within, you move your rotating dial here to make the selections, and then you hit the button set to choose that option. So let's go inside the camera and take a peek at what this menu allows us to do. All right, here we go. We're going to go at the top. As you can see, this is the background. You can go for a less blurred or a more blurred background, which is another way of manipulating your depth of field. So as you go to the right, your background is going to be less blurred, and when you go to the left, more blurred. So we'll go to right in the middle. We'll set it, and then we will use our multi-directional button at the top again to go down to the exposure choice. Now this allows your exposure of the image to be, the overall image to be brighter or darker. So to the left is darker, to the right is lighter. We'll go right in the middle again and hit select, which is the set in the middle of your rotating dial at the bottom. Then I'll go back up to my multi-directional button and we'll go down here. Now this is your picture style mode. The S is for standard photography. If we go over to the right, we have P is for portraits. So if you're taking pictures of your family, headshots or something like that, you can get a little more smoother skin tones. All right, so the P again was for portrait picture style. Now sometimes if you don't select quick enough within an option, it's going to kick you out and default to the one you were on. So again, you can push in your multi-directional button at the top and that'll take you back to the selection you were working on. L is for landscapes. It gives you a little bit more brightness in your blues and greens when you're outdoors, and M is for monochrome. If you want to choose a black and white image, you would select that, but I'm going to put it back on standard and hit my select at the navigational, the rotating bar. Okay, so then we'll go down, and here we are in shooting mode. Now we have self timer, we have single shooting, continuous shooting, or self timer. I'm choosing that again with my rotator. Okay, and then the last setting we have here is the image quality, and 99% of the time you're going to want to use this L with the filled in quarter pie piece there, which is a large file with fine pixelation. It does give you a full range here, but like I said, we're going to stick here 99% of the time. Now that will take us through all of that Creative Auto menu. And so have some fun with that when you're out there playing. If you want to do some quick adjustments without getting too detailed, that is the menu for you. So that's it for the Creative Auto mode. It allows you again to use some advanced functions within your camera without having to have an advanced knowledge of the relationships between the workings of your machine. So go out and have some fun shooting and enjoy the Creative Auto mode.